Are you troubling with this type of scary message on your website? Well, I know you are worried about this. I'm here to help you to fix it. Hello and welcome back. This is Walid. In this video, you will learn how to remove malware from your WordPress website. Then I will show you how to remove the blacklist tag from Google. Without further delay, let's get started. As you can see, I am now in my computer screen. For educational purpose, I have added redirection link on my website. As we can see, here is the redirection link. Normally hacker do it this way. For this issue and redirection issues for normally Google blacklisted website, first we have to log in our dashboard. Let's log in the dashboard. Okay, I'm now in my website dashboard. Let's visit the website. First we have to remove the all redirection link from our website. This website building with Elementor, that's why first I will remove this link. Click on edit with Elementor. Also, I will check the other pages if they have any external links or not. We have to check every pages carefully. As you can see, in about us page, here is the another text. Just simply click on here. Okay, first go back to the home page and we have to remove it. Let's delete and delete it and publish. So we have removed the backlinks or redirection from our website. Go back to about us page and delete it, then save. Let's back to the home page. So no redirection is here now because I have deleted. Now go back to dashboard. We have to install a plugins. You can use WordPress or Suchuri, whatever you want. I'm going to install Suchuri. Then simply install now, activate. When we activate the Suchuri plugins, then Suchuri plugins will scan our website. Just wait some times, then you can see the result. We are getting a unwanted file. See, core WordPress file is modified because I have injected a malicious file on my website backend. That's why showing this. So we have to remove it. As you can see, there have two options. So let's delete this file. Okay, let's recheck it. Now here showing website core file is modified. Actually, I have scanned my website with virus total. If I copy my website, then scan. Also, I have scanned this website with this website. Then I got a malicious file. They're showing a malicious file is available on this website. Now we will go back to the website. For double check, I will install another plugin, WordPress. Let's install it. Active the plugin. Let's rescan the website with WordPress. Click here to configure. Download HTTP access. Then continue, close it. Everything is fine. It's a premium one, that's why showing more features. At the same time, the free version have limited features. Anyway, let's start the scan. Our scan is completed now. It's take me almost 10 minutes. Also here showing the file location, the malicious or unsafe file. Now we have to delete this file. Here is the file location. Let's go back to my hosting panel. Here is the hosting. I'm using Hostinger. Over here, file manager, click here, WP content plugins, checkout plugins. Click here, WP content plugins, checkout, assets and framework. Assets and framework. So here is the file, we have to delete it. Let's delete this file. Done. This is the premium plugins. That's why here showing you can delete from your dashboard here. Just simply click on here. It's deleted. If you want WordPress premium version, check in my description. I will attach the premium version link. You can ignore the other two issues because it's a plugin update issue. After remove the malicious file, check the website user access. If you hover the user, then simply click on all users. For example, I added this. See, It's look like this is my name, this is the email, it's a different email, this is not mine. When you see this is the others emails that's not yours, then simply check here and delete it. Confirm delete. Perfect. After delete it, and you are safe. Also, you have to change the WordPress password. If you click here, then over here here's the new password option. Click here, then you can able to change your website password. Then update the profile. That's it. So your website is safe now. When you've done everything, you can apply to Google for remove the blacklist. As you can see, when in my website detect a malware, Google give me this notification on my email in Google Search Console. I will attach this the link search.google.com. Then you can able to see. Then you have to request a review. When you click on request review, write something what you have done after found the malicious file. I will attach a review request templates in my description. After submit the review, Google take maximum 24 hours. If everything is okay, Google remove your website from blacklist. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, comment below if you have any questions or need assistance. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.